Hello, today we're going to talk about this item here on this picture right here, the Premier Selfshot 10-inch selfie ring light tripod and phone holder. Now this is a great item if you're starting out and you want to just get something that's easy to assemble and something that's easy that you can just use right away. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be unboxing this item and I'm just going to be putting it together and showing it to all of you what are the pieces involved and some of the details about this 10-inch selfie ring light. Before I get started, if you can hit the red button on the bottom right corner of your viewing and hit that to subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. If this product added any value to you, this video, please hit the like button and feel free to leave comments. I always look forward to hearing from you. So let's begin. So once again, this is the Premier Selfshot 10-inch selfie ring light, tripod, and phone holder. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to be unboxing this item right here. Okay, so I already slid the box so that I can just unwrap it, saving everybody's time. So let's take it out. And before I get started, this is the front of the box and this is the back of the box. Just a little bit detailed about this item is that, the product parameters is a 10 level brightness, 3 color lighting mode, white, warm white, and warm yellow. They're very similar with a lot of these table ring lights, but just wanted to point that out. The diameter ring-shaped light is 10-inch. The length of the tripod is 9.5 cm, and it comes with the tripod head. So what you're going to be getting, let's see what we're going to be getting here. So the first thing we're going to be getting is we're going to be getting this. And what is this? This is actually the 10-inch ring light, and this is going to be the bulb that we'll be using. So let me just unpackage this and put it over here. And then the second item that we're going to be getting is this piece right here. So this piece is your tripod, and basically this is kind of like your stand. And then the third piece is your phone holder, which is also in here next to the tripod, but is this piece right here. So this is a flexible piece. It's kind of like a little round ball that attaches in there, and it allows you to actually go left, right, up, down. And then the fourth piece is your tripod head that you'll be receiving, which is this piece right here. This is your tripod head. So it is the piece where you're going to be putting your tripod. And then the last piece is your phone holder. So as you can see, it's pretty much with a spring. You can open it up and close it. So let me just go ahead and just put a phone in there first. Boom, right there. So I'm just gonna leave this like this before I attach it. All right, so let's go and attach it. So the first thing is, what you wanna do is you wanna grab the phone holder piece, which is this piece right here. And then you wanna grab the phone holder stand, which is this piece right here. And what you're going to do with this piece is you're going to be sticking it into the phone holder, which is you're going to be sticking into the, so once again, you have this little ball, you're going to stick the ball in there. Now it's going to be really tight right now, so what you got to do is you got to loosen it. So you're going to be untwisting this. It's kind of like a screw. You're going to be sticking this in there. Oh, there you go. And then you're going to be locking it on. So it becomes one piece. And once again, like I mentioned earlier, you can actually fold this, flex. So there's like a flex here. So that's the great thing about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that piece right there. And then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take your ring light, which is once again a 10-inch ring light. There's the plug, remote control, USB for power, they don't actually give you an outlet plug. It's just a USB that you stick into an outlet plug. So you're gonna have to buy that if you don't have an outlet plug to stick a USB in there. Most people can stick into their computer or whatever you have a USB. So let's get this, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna be sticking this into this little piece right here. So right here, you're gonna slide it into that click right there, into the clicks. All right, so there you go. And then what you're gonna do is you can actually kind of do two things. You can actually kind of fold it down like that, boom. So you have your phone with you. So I just want everybody to see it. And then the next thing is you're gonna be putting in this piece, which is your tripod head. So let's go ahead and take this out. And you're going to be screwing it on to the 10-inch light. So if I screw it on, you can see that on the bottom of the 10-inch ring light, there's a screw there. And this right here, you're just going to screw that on. Okay, so you have that in there. Now it's tight. Now in this tripod head right here, you also have this piece right here, which allows you to kind of tilt the light or kind of tilt in certain situations how you like it right here. So you can kind of loosen it or you can kind of tighten it. So there's a little ball, as you can see right here. So let's just keep it straight for example purposes. This is actually the oops. So I just want to make sure your tighten is tight. So once again, so I was just going to say that this is the first time where I've seen kind of like where you can actually move the little ball here. You can tilt your light. A lot of the previous ones that I've done on video, if I recall, basically what it is that it's pretty much straight. You know, it's straight when it stands there. But this one actually has a little ball, so you can actually tilt the 10-inch ring light, which I think is pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments if you think it's cool. Okay, so the last thing to do is you're going to get the tripod to assemble. So as you can see in that tripod here, there's a screw here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to screw it on the tripod head, which is this thing that I was saying that actually allows you to tilt the light. You're going to screw it onto the bottom. Voila. And there we go. We have it stuck on. And then we're going to just, on the tripod, we're going to just extend the legs. And then we're going to leave it on the table. Right there. So once again, you just want to tighten it. There we go. So there you go. And let me move my phone. So my phone is here in the center. Oh, I actually took it out. Stick it back in there. All right. So my phone's right there, as you can see, and this is the tripod. Now, please excuse me as I'm actually presenting this without a big camera. So there you go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to untie this so I can plug it in, and I'm going to turn on the light so you guys can take a look at it. Now it's pretty sturdy. See, when I'm hitting it, it's fine. Now I'm going to remove the phone so you guys can actually take a look at the colors of the light. So let me just unscrew this and just take the light. Okay. There we go. So as with my previous one, there's always one of these light controllers on pretty much all these tabletop ring lights. And basically what you have here is that you have right here on the lowest, the red dot right there. That's your power on and power off. You have the minus and the plus, and what those are your brightness levels. So, you know, you can bring it up or you can bring it down. And then basically the center right here, this one right here, this piece right here that has little 2 waves on it, that's your warm white, and you can control it with 3 modes. You have your white light, your warm white, and then your warm yellow. So once again, that's pretty much your 3 modes for your the warm color lighting that you're getting. The plus and the minus, once again, those is your brightness levels. And you know, there's actually 10 brightness levels. So it's, as the box says, 10 of them. So it's not bad. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So I'll click this button. So I turned on the light, as you can see. I'm gonna change the mode. This is the second mode right there. And then this is the third mode. I guess this is the, right here is the warm yellow. So once again, there's 3 mode. Now let's test the plus and minus of the brightness. This is this 10 brightness levels. So you have that level. There's a second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So there you go. You see 10 of them. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, I mean, it's very simple. It's a pretty cool item. It's very sturdy. You just connect your phone in there. Just, you know, follow the directions. There is the instruction booklets that they have that come with it. It's very important. So make sure you use the instruction booklets when you're doing it. But all in all, I would say that I would actually use this product myself if I was getting started, because it's very affordable. I mean, it's what, it retails outside probably like $20 or more. But if you go to some of those stores that, you know, some of those big box stores that are kind of like discounted, I'm not going to name names, you can probably get it for like $14.99 or $15.99. So you save a couple of dollars there. But all in all, this is a pretty good item. I would recommend it myself. It's very sturdy. I like actually how here where you can actually tilt the light. So you can actually tilt the light forward. You just got to release this when you're tilting the light. This item right here. See? So you can bring the light down and then lock it. See? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully I added some value for you with this video. If so, please hit the like button and leave me some comments. Also, if you can, hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, the red button, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. I would really appreciate it. I always have new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays that are uploaded. Please do follow me. Thank you.